Is it playing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This evening on Beyonce's talk show, we're interviewing the lovely Lydia and Lizzie, who both read the book, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. Lydia, now as a teenage girl, what are some of the things you could relate to?
Well, being an adolescent, I can definitely articulate that me and the main character, Maya, both would rather indulge ourselves in a very passionate book than be in a big group of people. We are both bashful, and like all girls, this book deals with insecurity.
Lizzie, how did the book touch you?
Like, affect me and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, I knew that. Okay, so like, it made me want to cry, but like, it made me feel happy at the same time. Like the good, and I feel like I want to cry sometimes too. Like the good cry though.
You just said that.
Oh. Like, I wanted to smile too.
Okay. Lydia, what are some of the fragments of the book that kept you entertained?
The courtship, the hoopla, the bigotry, the fantasism.
Oh, okay. Lizzie, what was one of your favorite parts of the book?
Oh my god, I have so many. Like when Maya meets her BFF, they like instantly click. And I thought that was just so adorable. Oh, and I like the old people too. The old people are so cool. They're so just adorable. Like they talk older and stuff. Is that even a word?
No. It could be.
Anyways, I could put it. I could make it a word.
Yeah, I get it. Okay. Lydia, why should teens read this book?
Oh, thank you. This book will have you engrossed. It's accelerating on so many levels. It elicits...
Oh, I get it.
Oh, okay. Cheerio.
Okay.
I'm done. Right?
Yeah, you're done. Okay.
Oh.
Say bye.
Bye.
What did you guys...
Your name is?
Evan,
How old are you?
6.
And you read I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the book?
Yeah.
How much?
So good.
It was so good?
Mhm.
How long did it take you to read it?
24 hours.
Oh, you're a fast reader, huh?
Mhm.
Do you like to read?
Kind of.
Is this your favorite book?
Mhm.
Show him the book. Would you suggest this book to friends?
Sure.
How many friends?
All of my friends.
Oh, okay. Did you share an emotional connection with this book?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mhm.
How?
It was like so huge.
Would you read it again?
Yeah.
You would?
Mhm.
What was your favorite part?
This part. Even though it was so long, this part.
Oh. You're a fast reader. You're smart, huh? Alright, say bye.
Bye.
Oh, got it. Blow a kiss.
My crab's gonna eat you.
Whatever. Seahorses can
Oh,
swim.
are you guys ready?
So can crabs.
Are you ready?
Oh,
Put the toys down, children.
crabs can swim.
Like the interviews? You're really dumb. Yeah, you
No,
are.
I'm not. You know what my GPQ is? It's really high.
Your what?
My GPQ.
There's no such thing.
Yeah.
Now, Lizzie, about the old people.
What about them?
What about them?
Oh, they're just so adorable. Like they're all older than me. Are you gonna be that close? I can't film when you're
really dumb.